welcome back to the King's Queen, where I teach you how to master your hustle. Today, it's all about consistency. And when I say consistency, I am talking about creating children's book characters. On my last video, I showed you how to use Imagine Art Generator, the AI website. So today, I'm going to show you how to create consistent characters for your children's storybooks or whatever kind of book you're working with or working on, and you want to create the same character with different looks, different angles, different poses. I'm going to show you how to get that done with this particular program. So get your notebooks out and let's get started. Thank you to everyone who has watched the previous video. I got a lot of feedback on my the group that I mentioned and also in the comment section. That's what I'm here for. I'm here to learn and teach you all what I learned. But yeah, shout out to Lynn Webb particularly. She commented, I think it's a she. They commented on the video and kind of explained to me what seed is. So I took what they said and I dived in a little bit deeper, and I think I've got this thing figured out. So thank you for that information. It was very helpful and greatly appreciated. But we are on our dashboard and we are going to get started. First off, we're going to go to the 16:9 aspect ratio. And after that, I'm going to go to a style of I think I want to go with something cartoony since this is for a children's book. I'm not gonna use Disney this time. Disney was not my cup of tea the last time I used it. So I'm gonna go back to, let's do something different. Let's go to, what is that I saw? Comic book version 2. Let's see what that gives us. And now I'm going to give you an example of a prompt to use. The beginning of it is going to be interchangeable, but the end of this prompt is what you need to get the results that you want with these different characters. So I'm going to type in cute little girl, curly blonde hair, wearing a purple pea coat and let's see, and pink rain boots. Okay, this here, you can change this to whatever you want. So use that as a template. Just fill in what you want. And this last part that we're going to type in, this is the part that you need. So we're going to say, and separate everything with commas, please. Different angles in the style of a children's book character. And then we're going to put character sheet. And lastly, white background. We don't need all the extras in the background because we are going to remove the background so that we can use these character poses. So are you ready to see what they give us? 3, 2, 1, let's go. And we're using the 16:9 aspect ratio so that they can give us a lot of different poses and angles. As you can see, I have these two sections pulled all the way up. Okay, here's our cute little girl, curly blonde hair with her pea coat and her boots like we asked for. Different angles. She's facing forward here. She's to the side here. These here you probably could use. But this is that's I don't like the things that they did with her cheeks, but I guess that's just because of the style that I selected, and that's how comic book characters kind of do look. So we're gonna go with it. But let's see if we want to change something. Make sure that down here at the bottom, there's gonna be a seed number. Click on here. Click on the picture, and right here in this section right here, this is our seed number. So copy that. Click on these two little squares that are overlapping each other so that you can copy it. And then I want you to X out of that picture. Click down here at the bottom. Paste that seed number. And now we're going to make a few changes. Now we want this same little girl, but we're going to change this little girl. This says right here, I want after the rain boots, type in running and click generate. Now we should get the same little girl wearing those same clothes, but she's going to appear to be running this time. And there we go. We got a little bit of movement. She looks adorable. Um, Here her hands are kind of clenched in fists and they're closer up to her body. Here her arms are kind of swinging out. This one is the same as this one pretty much. And the last one, you can see her back. So that's really cute. Really cute. And now let's see if we take out running and put sitting on a stool. Let's see what we get there. Make sure that seed number is still the same seed number that we used from before. Click generate. And there we go. We even got her standing at a different angle, but they changed the color of her gloves, so that's no bueno. But here we got her sitting on a stool. The first one, her hands are in her lap. The second one's her hands are clasped. And the last one, it appears that her hands are in her pockets and she's facing forward. But we still have the same character, same clothes, doing different things. So that is, in a nutshell, how you get consistent characters. And after you create these images, I do suggest that you click this little button here that says upscale so that when you download these images, they will be at the highest resolution that you can get so you can get some good quality images to use in your books. So if you're on KDP and you're creating books, you've moved out of the low content or you've never been in the low content book era and you want to go to high content, you want to start writing books that have a lot of, for lack of a better word, have a lot of words. You want to create these stories, I suggest using Imagine AI art creator or generator rather. And I love this site. I really do. I love this. I love the mobile app as well. Because sometimes I'm on the go, but I'm sitting around at the doctor's office with my kids or for myself in the waiting room, and I still want to get some work done, but I don't want to take my computer. I always have my phone. I can still get some work done. So if you're trying to decide whether to get the website or use it on your phone. I suggest either or. They're both great in their own right. So I don't want to take up too much time. I'm probably going to do another video showing you how to remove the backgrounds and actually put them on a page layout, because I don't create the characters with the backgrounds. I separate them so I have more control over positioning my characters. But if you want to see that, click the subscribe button, and the video will probably be up later this week, hopefully. But this one, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like it. Click that like button, hit the subscribe button if you have not, and click on the bell so that you will be notified each and every time I post a video. Until next time, be blessed.